I really loved when Vande Mataram video which I went checking. There were so many Muslims who non-Indians also who were proud to be Indians, and they showed their patriotism. That's so nice. I spoke to lot of Muslims. They're very much open. Very few are anti-radicals. They are only misled. Hmm? The Muhammadism was born in 1610 AD, the 7th century. 1610 AD means after death of Christ. So Christianity is way beyond 600 years old to Muhammadism. No, I'm just telling facts. Then what is the need to fight between Christianity and Muslim? Nobody should criticize among themselves. I'm only trying to bring out the facts and create harmony. Don't fight. And when you come to Hinduism, it's there is more than 4,000 to 5,000 years, and there is no trace who started this. For any religion, you can find who started this, but not Hinduism. It's the most Sanatana Dharma, ancient. So, it's Hinduism is thousands and thousands of years old to Christianity. Of course, the present population wise, the most dominant religions are Islam and Christian, and then comes Hinduism. Because Hinduism don't convert anyone. Yeah, and most of the time it's birth control we follow. Very few you can find unlimited children. So let's respect each other, let's love each other. And one person, Mr. Uday Reddy, this is my open statement for you. Today morning, when I saw my mobile, I have seen your comments in the YouTube. I don't know why you are so crack. Malik Garu or his followers are not at all against doctors. No, only one point: misuse of drugs. Just misuse of drugs. Proper dosage at proper time. It should be done. When a drug which is misused, it no more it works as a medicine, but it works as a poison. Right? That's the only thing. Now, you are criticizing about fenugreeks. What are its benefits? In the next slides, which are confirmed by a doctor, you are going to read it. And my advice for you is, as you criticized fenugreeks, don't use it. No. Okay. If you hate so much and criticizing the Vedas and the traditional medicines and all herbs, please don't use it. Simple. Okay. Now, if you don't use fenugreek, what all you have to remove from your food? Let me help you with this. Okay. In dosa, fenugreek, mentulu, is used to make it crispier. So don't eat dosa. And yeah, seasoning, talimpu. So don't eat anything which is seasoned. Talimpu is nedi tinaddu. Sambar, yummy. But mentulu is used in it. Don't use it. Don't ever take sambar. Pickles, avkai. మెంతు పొడి, ఆవ పొడి పడతారు మానేసి. ఆవకాయ మీద వేలు పెట్టుకుంటే అది కోసేసుకో. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, వేర్ ఎల్స్ మెంతులు ఈజ్ యూస్డ్? పులిహోర. ఏదైనా గుళ్ళోకి వెళ్ళి ప్రసాదం పులిహోర తీసుకోవద్దు. అది నిమ్మకాయ పులిహోర కావచ్చు, చింతపండు పులిహోర కావచ్చు, లెమన్ రైస్ ఆర్ టర్మరిక్ రైస్. Okay, don't ever take the yellow rice, which is given as mostly as prasadam in most of the Hindu devalayas. Don't. Okay. And rasam, menthulu is used. Don't take it. So what you are going to eat is up to you now. And next, yeah, I really pity you guys. What is there in Vedas? What use there it is there in Vedas? That's what you say. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Guru Mata, Guru Pito, Guru Bandhu Bandhavyo, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Guru is your mother. Guru is your father. Guru is divine. Guru is Sakshat Brahma Vishnu Maheshwar. Guru is there in your relations. Guru is there in nature. You can abstract. And what is this Guru? Guru is knowledge. This knowledge can be acquired from your relations, from your generation, forefathers, grandfathers. And relation doesn't mean only your elders. No. From youngers, elders. And where is this Bandhu Bandhavya come? Once you become a Hindu or in any religion, it says you are a universal being. The world is created by God. And the name, simple. People stick to that name, but they don't know God. Once you stick to the name, you cannot realize God. A God's name, when it comes and you stick to that name, you forgot that God. You can never realize it.